To embroider a closed feather stitch, mark 2 parallel lines and start stitching from top downwards. Get the needle to the surface on the left mark and make a stitch to the right. Close the loop and then stitch to the same starting point. This will create a triangle. Make a triangle on the left, then repeat the steps to make one more on the right side. Continue this sequence to embroider the entire decorative band. After the entire band is stitched, secure the last stitch with the anchoring stitch. You can add compensating stitches at the beginning and at the end of the band. On the back side, this embroidery will look like 2 parallel lines of back stitches.